that we had everybody coming out, and now we're gonna go ahead and ride out to the Wawa meet. Got a good amount of bikes that turned out, so that's awesome. Super excited. It's gonna be a short little ride, not too far from the meet, but yeah, that's awesome. We got that boy Tico's World out here. Got the other S1K, Mr. McGill. I'm gonna gap your ass. But we all out here, which is awesome. So, but yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in for yet another video, and I hope y'all got your snacks going, everything like that, and I hope y'all enjoy. We got that boy Wolf on the R6. Dang, that little gsxr 600 popping, man. Let's see. Oh my God. That's it. Hey, you got the new helmet? Yo, that's just fire. The helmet. Yo, just dope. Bro, that thing shoots flames like this, bro. Yo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ride out, man. I think we posted sometime early this afternoon, and then we just got a lot of people that popped out. You know, I appreciate all of y'all for popping out. That is awesome, man. Let's see how this meet is, dude. Like, I'm curious to see how this meet is.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Pause, yo! Pause! Yo, I did not. No. This car meet. Okay, this car meet / bike meet or whatever you want to call it. I'm curious to see how that is. Oh, there we go. I'm curious to see how that is. We shall see, because I think we're gonna. I don't even know what time it is right now. I might be pulling up kind of late. Are we pulling up? Hold it all the way, like. The delayed, like. That's awesome. BMW. Where are we going? Yeah, everybody, look at me. I got a. What is that? Got a Lafufu on the floor? That is one clean Mustang GT. Man, we're gonna park where there's no lights. How am I supposed to clout chase with no lights to show off my cool BMW? I guess I'll just go to the end. Oh my god, Carlos's straight 5.1K is insane. Dude, hold on, let's take a look at this thing, bro. Oh my. Oh my god. Alright, so we just made it to the Wawa meet. I think we actually made it a little early. More people are pulling up right now, but let's check out the lineup of bikes we have. So starting from this end, we have the R1 and the R6 out here, and then I think a R3, R7, Ninja 500, well, A2, my fault, and then we got a couple of Gixes, ZX10, two S1Ks, And then the naked bike. This thing that pops like 2-foot flames, freaking insane. And got everybody else's bike out here. This thing's got to be the most comfortable bike here, for sure. For sure. Then got a couple cars pulling up. See if we can see that. There we go. We have made it to our local Hooks. Yes, sir. If y'all never tried Hooks before, you're missing out. I'm telling you. What is that? What is that thing pulling up? Let's see. I think it's the Porsche. Let's see. It is a Porsche. I don't know what type of Porsche though. The Boxster? Yeah, I think so. All right, back to what I was saying. Hooks. Get you some Hooks if you ain't never tried it before. So we just got done eating some Hooks, and like 4 or 5 cops pulled in. They're all sitting over there. Dang, look at that. That thing's clean. But all of the bikes, a bunch of bikes have popped out. Got everybody over here. Apparently, the cops were reading people's plates, making sure they're all good. I guess, I don't know. But yeah, got everybody over here. Some more bikes popped out on this side. But yeah, I think everybody's good. So the cops, I guess, are just chilling. So oh well. Wake up, young dumb, and bro, young dumb, dumb and bro, young dumb, dumb and bro. That's just quick, bro. Oh, all right, here you go. Take off. I get it. Oh. Uh-oh! Never mind! Never mind! Never mind! There's cops everywhere today, man. It's crazy. Y'all watching today. Until next time. Wait. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe button, and comment down below. Make sure you interact in some way, shape, or form. And now, until next time. Bye.